Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully get with the find by ID our specific user ID data, and then I simply added our field name and I changed that value, right? And after that, when you save it, then that will be updated in our database. So now I want to update with another different way. I want to use it into these Mongos that have one of the different method as a find by ID and update method. Okay, with this we can actually do that work very easily. Like right now, a specific this user ID. Okay, with this ID I want to update that age, and also I want to change that is married status again as a false. So if you want to do that work, how can do it? For doing this, you have to do like that is our one of the another method. First of all, I want to call this method that will be as a find. Okay, find, that is one of the Mongo's default method, find by ID, delete, and you can see there find by ID and update. So that is a find by ID and update. With this method, I want to first of all get our specific ID. Okay, so that is our ID, and here after that I want to do here right now I want to remove it. Okay, close it. That is our DB method is started. Great. So after that I want to add which field that I want to update. Here you have to add it. Like I want to better make it into another line. Okay, make it another line, then that will be actually helpful. Here I want to add another object. First of all, I want to update that age. Okay, I want to use that age right now in here as a 40. I want to make it as a 45. Okay, I make it as a 45. Now that should be updated as a 45, and also I want to update another one as is married status. Again I want to change it as a false. Okay, right now here your is married status as a true. Right now I want to change it again to the false. And also you can add some of the another option. Okay, here you can also add some of the options like as a new, that is a new option. I want to make that new as a true. Okay, the new as a true, and also another one as a run validator. Okay, validator. So run validators, and run validators, when you make it as a true, then you can actually get some of the things in here. Like in our this schema, into this schema area, there have some of the field validation, right? So it will be checked that all that validation. So with this run validator, it will be check every validation. If you get any error, then that will be display all that error. So that is our another option. I make that as a new as a true, and this will be with this validator, it will be check all that our run validator. When you run it, if you get any error validation, it will be get all the validation in here. Okay, that it will be check it, are you appropriately add some of the value in here or not. Like for the age, that is one of the number type. If you want to make it as some of the string type, then automatically with this run validator, it will be check it, and it will be get some of the error. Okay, it will be show all that error in your console. So right now I make it again as a 45, and is married status will be updated, and run validator, I hope you get some of the idea, because that is one of the age as a number type. It will be check is number or not. If you add any boolean type, if you add any string type, then it will be get all that error. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, I click as a save all, and I want to run it again as a node index. Now click as a enter. Now you can see database is connected successful. And now if you go and here if you refresh this database, before our age as a 40 and is married as a true, right? Now click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's now successfully updated as the age as a 25 and is married as a false. How can do that work, friend? I hope it's very much clear to you. That is one of the Mongo's default method as a find by ID and update method. So with this, you can actually update your all the database field very easily. Okay, simply understand and remember this part. I hope you like it very much. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.